Welcome to the channel, number one astrologer Vaastu by Dr. Satya. Right, another 20 days to go for 2023, the new year to happen. Right, and many people are still doing analysis and paralysis on all their troubles, problems, and crises in life. Right, either in the marriage, in the career, in the job, in the business, in the children's. They keep on doing this. As I said, analysis, paralysis. That one day someone will come, some day will come, the miracles and magic will happen. God has gifted you the astrology for miracles and magic. If you know how to use it, your birth chart, which you are born with, nobody can take it away, right? Your Lagna chart, your Dasha chart, your Navamsa chart, your Bhavchali chart. If you are looking for personal consultation, solutions, guidance, remedies, not just predictions only, right? The donations of planets, the karma alignment, the marriage alignment, life alignment, see the description and links below. All the details have been provided. We can solve all your troubles and problems together. If you have that mentality,